What's up, fuckers? It's your boy C's back with another video. So today I finally chose to clear my headlights, restore them. I'll walk you through the process and the steps, and then I'll show you guys the end result. So as you can see, I already started sanding the headlight down with 1500 grit. I would recommend you sand it down for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna move on to 2000 grit. One thing I did want to point out is to make sure you get the edges, because they will be noticeable in the final stage. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Okay, so this is a new day. I took off the headlight, I finished sanding. Now I come over here and we just give it a nice clean, nice quick wash, I want to say. Yeah. Alright, so after you clean it, wipe it down, you're ready for the clear coat. So what I'm going to be using to clear coat this is this KBS clear diamond finish. A friend recommended this to me, so I figured I'd try it out and try and restore my headlights. So pick this up for about 2 minutes. First coat, it's going to be a nice thin light coat. Try to spray 8 to 10 inches away. Oh, that's like 6. Alright, so I let the first coat dry. Now I'm just going to go ahead and throw on the second one. Alright, I threw on the second coat. Now I'm going to wait for it to dry and then give it the final coat. So just a quick side note, I was told by one of my friends to go up in the grit with the sandpaper, but on this day I didn't have all the materials to do so. I should have waited. But at the end of the day, it looks good and I'm really happy with the results. And I recommend that you guys do this if you're trying to restore your headlights.